Hello everyone, myself Professor Pitevle from the Kegewag College of Agriculture Biotechnology Nashik. Today we will discuss on the topic tissues. In this lecture the contents are tissues, definition, classification and origin, epithelia, that is the classification, general characters and functions, connective tissues, general characters, basic function and classification, then cartilage, bone, blood, muscle tissues, that is the character, functions and types, and composition of nervous tissues. The definition of tissues means is a collection of interconnected cells that perform a similar function within an organism. In other words, it is a group of cells working together mainly inside an organ, or the mass of cells that form the bodies of humans, animals and plants. Then the classification of tissues. The human and animal body is composed of 4 basic types of tissues, that is the epithelial tissues, second one connective tissues, third one muscular tissues, and last fourth one is the nervous tissues. You see the image: connective tissues, epithelial tissues, muscle tissues and nervous tissues. Origin of tissues. A fertilized egg divides to produce 3 primary germs, cell layers. These layers differentiate to form the tissues of the body. You see that image is contained endoderm, mesoderm and ectoderm, that is the primary germ layer of the cells. Epithelial tissues, that is the first type. Epithelial cells cover or line all body surfaces, cavities and tubes. So this is are called covering epithelia. Epithelial cells from the functional units of secretory glands. So this is called as glandular epithelia. This is the general characteristics for epithelial tissues. It is closely attached to each other, forming a protective barrier. Always has one free, that is apical surface, open to outside the body or inside an internal organ. Always has one fixed section attached to underlying connective tissues. Has no blood vessels but can soak up nutrients from blood vessels in connective tissues underneath. Can have lots of nerves in it, that is innervated. Very good at regenerating, that is sunburn, skin or knee. The functions of epithelial tissues are to protect the tissues that lie beneath in from radiation, desiccation, toxins, invasion by pathogens and physical trauma. It is protect from the radiations. It is a major function of epithelial tissues. Second function, the regulation and exchange of chemicals between the underlying tissues and body cavity. The secretion of hormones into blood vascular system and or the secretion of sweat, mucus, enzyme and other products that are delivered by the ducts, glandular epithelium to provide sensation, filters the kidney. The classification of epithelia is according to thickness. The first one simple, that is one layer or one cell layer. Second one, stratified, that is more than one layer of cells. This is the classification according to thickness. Second classification according to shape, that is squamous, that is the wider than tall, cuboidal, as a tall as a wide, and columnar, that is the taller than wide. It is the diagram. You see that is the simple and stratified classification of the epithelial tissues, and the types squamous, cuboidal, and columnar. You see that the image. Simple squamous epithelial tissues. The function of this, passive transport of gases and fluids, that is the major function. And location are the lining body cavities, lining blood vessels, alveoli of lungs, and this is the single layer of flattened cells with disc shaped central nuclei and sparse cytoplasm. It is the simplest of the epithelia. Simple cuboidal epithelia, it is the major function is the secretion and absorption. It is a single layer of the tube-like cell with large spherical central nuclei. That is, location is the kidney tubules, ducts, and secretory portions of small glands ovary surface. Simple columnar epithelia, it is a function is a absorption, secretion of mucus, enzymes, and other substances. It is a single layer of tall cells with round to oval nuclei. There are types of simple columnar epithelia is the ciliated columnar epithelia or second non-ciliated columnar epithelia. The location is the digestive tract and gallbladder. Then second, stratified squamous epithelia. It is the function is the protection, and it is multi-layered surface cell are squamous basal cells, and location at oral cavity, cervix, anal canal. Stratified cuboidal epithelia is general two layers of cube-like cells, and it is the major function is the protection, large ducts of sweat glands, mammary glands, and salivary glands. It is also multi-layer superficial cells, elongated and columnar. There is a function, protection, and secretion, and is location rear in the body, small amount in the male urethra. Pseudostratified columnar epithelia, that is a single cell layer, all cell attached to the basement membrane but not all reach the free surface, nuclei at varying depth, secretion of mucus of by the ciliary action. The location are the lines of trachea. Transitional epithelia, it is characterized by the dome-like cells that are neither squamous nor columnar. The forms of the cells changes. The function is stretching and protection. Location at bladder and part of the urethra. Then second type is the connective tissues. The tissues that connect the different part of the body together are called connective tissue. The simple definition, the connect of different parts of the body are called as a connective tissues. And general characteristics is the intracellular or intercellular material is maximum, whereas the cellular component is minimum. Unlike the other tissues, that is epithelium, muscles, and nerve, which are formed mainly by the cells, The major constituent of the connective tissue is the ECM, that is extracellular matrix, and possesses cells, fibers and ground substances. Then cartilage, that is the elastic, that is similar to hyaline cartilage but more elastic fibers in matrix. The major function is maintain the shape and allows flexibility, that is location is supports the external layer. The cartilage, fibrocartilage, description is the collagen fibers are predominant. Then major function is the high tensile strength and to absorb the comprehensive shock. Location is the intervertebral or vertebral disc and disc of knee joint. The next part is the bone. Bone is a description, hard calcified matrix containing many collagen fibers, very well vascularized. The major function is the bone supports and to protects, provides levers for the muscles to act on, stores calcium and other materials and fat. Bone marrow is the site of blood cell formation. The location is the skeleton. There you see that spongy bone, yellow bone and compact bone. Blood, it is the liquid connective tissues, red and white blood cells in fluid matrix. Location in the blood vessels. Then muscle tissues. Muscles is one of our 4 tissue types, and muscle tissues combine with nerves, blood vessels and various connective tissues. Muscles are quite complex, and as we will find out, they are a marvel of both biology and physics. This is the general characteristics of muscles. The first one, excitability, the ability to receive and respond to a stimulus in skeleton muscle, then in smooth muscle and in cardiac muscle. The responses is a generation and the electrical impulse that travels along the plasma membrane of the muscle cells. Then second one, contractility, then it is the ability to shorten forcibly when adequately stimulated. The third one, extensibility, that is the ability to stretch. And fourth one, elasticity, the ability to recoil and resume original length after being stretched. This is the function. The first one, movement, locomotion, maintain posture, produces heat, facial expressions, pumps blood and peristalsis. The types of muscle tissues, you see that image. The types of muscle tissue is the cardiac muscle cells, skeletal muscle cells and smooth muscle cells. The first one, skeletal muscle cells, that is SMT. It is a long striated cells. The major function is a contraction for voluntary movements. It is located in skeletal muscle. Smooth muscle tissues is the long spindle shaped cells. The major function is propulsion of substances along internal passageways, the location in all organs. Cardiac muscle tissues is the branching striated cells fused at plasma membrane. The major function is pumping of blood in the circulatory system and location in wall of the heart. The last one or fourth type is the nerve tissues. By far of the most complex tissue in the human body, in the nerve tissue formed by network of more than 100 million nerve cells assisted by more glial cells. Each neurons has on an average at least 1,000 interconnections with the other neurons, forming a very complex nervous system. The major functions of nervous system is the regulates and control body functions, generates and transmits the nerve impulse, supports, insulates and protects impulse generating neurons. The composition of nerve tissues is the nerve cell or neuron and the neuroglia. It is the first one, neurons. Neurons are the branching of cells. Cells processes that may be quite long extend from the nucleus containing cells body, transmit electrical signal from sensory receptors and to effectors that control their activity. That is the major function of neurons, and location of the neurons are the brain, spinal cord and nerves. That is the glial cells. Glia cell or glia carry nutrients, speed repair, provide myelin for the axons. They are also involved in neurogenesis. After that, the conclusion from this slide or this lecture is we are studied the tissues, definition of tissues, then classification, then epithelial tissues, connective tissues, cartilage, bone, blood and muscle tissues, and composition of nervous tissues. I hope you understand this. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much.